Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to find a special number which is called build number. As you can see, it will be at the bottom of the list, and simply keep tapping on it until you see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter system. Now let's tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got the developer options active, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the view updates, so we can show them. Here we've got options which are connected with the animation, with the surface updates, pointer location, for example. Here we've got options which are connected with the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the transition animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this switcher on this kind of greenish background. Just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings they should disappear. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.